Fit-Tight Covers is the best because we care the most. We give the customer a product that's going to last, that fits his need. Our people, we have the best team. They care the most. Our field service and our estimating, we care the most. There's several benefits to having so many crew members involved with the production. First benefit is that they're all trained in a specific skill. So they're better at it than if they were having to do a broad range of things. The other benefit is that each one of them's checking it for correctness, checking it for quality. So by the time it comes out and is ready to ship, we've had 9 or 10 people inspect this item. But what brings you back is that kind of service, that kind of product, and there's no comparison in the industry to Fit-Tight Covers. Typically, a site inspection is the best way to know what you can do for a customer. If you have some place that we can save you money, that we can make your process better, we're going to help you. But we're not going to sell you something that you don't need. The advantage of using a removable insulation cover is it can be reapplied at no cost. Whenever an item needs to be maintenanced or calibrated, which all metering valves that meter steam or product or any kind of chemical process, they're all required to be calibrated every 6 months. So these are items that can be uninsulated and re-insulated without having to bring in a contractor or have any special materials brought back on site. The advantage to using removable insulation covers on large projects is that typically now we will have a construction unit that comes in and builds the facility. Then we'll have a startup unit that will come in and uncover all the flanged items and check the torque and the bolts and inspect for leaks. This is something that every item is uncovered, can be reinstalled at basically no cost, and it's significant. During the design process, we try and get a lot of input from the customer. How they want the item to be installed and removed, the type of environment it's going to be in, the operating temperature, the materials that are allowed to be used in their facility. After that point, we get fabrication dimensions. We put a design together, we send it to the design team. They use a CAD format program and actually do the flat out dimensions. At that point, it would be sent to our production, which would be sent to our automated cutting and plotting machine. It would cut the fabric, cut the insulation. We'd then send it in to our sewing crew. They would sew up the fabric, leaving one end open. It would come back out to our fabricators. They would insert the insulation, get sent back in, sewn closed, quality checked, and shipped out. There are so many benefits to having the automated cutting and plotting and CAD software. The first one is that we're able to repeat with precise dimensions. If a customer calls in and wants another number 5 blanket, we can repeat it exactly. The other advantage is that the tolerances are so much better. It eliminates errors on the table during layout. The dimensions are so precise. We're doing jobs for ExxonMobil right now where the requirements is plus or minus 1/8 of an inch on flexible material. That's pretty difficult to manage, but we were the 3rd vendor to attempt it, and we're the only one that our product was accepted. Customer service and satisfaction is our #1 priority. We guarantee our product to fit. So if there's any type of miscommunication on anybody's part, we back it up and we make it right. If a customer has a problem with any type of fit or function, we're going to go back, get more input. We're going to remake the product until it fits the purpose that it's designed for and replace it for free. Our customer service response time is not measured in days. It's measured in minutes and hours. We can typically turn a proposal around in less than 24 hours. Customers can contact us by emailing us, calling us at our office, or calling my cell phone. I'm Calvin Brazel, and Fit-Tight Covers wants your business.